Hello children, how are you? You all are fine? I hope you all are fine. Let's get back to our Maths online class. Okay children? In the previous class we have studied about after, before and between numbers. Is or no? Yes, okay. Today also we have to study that same one. But now all of you take your Maths book. All of you take your Maths book. First of all of you take your Maths book. Take book page number 6. Take book page number 6. All of you take book page number 6. All of have you taken? I hope you have taken the Maths book. Take page number 6. First of all you see the heading. Okay, third one, W-R-I-T-E, right. W-R-I-T-E, right. T-H-E-D, M-I-S-S-I-N-G, missing. N-U-M-E-R-A-L-S, numerals. Write the missing numerals. W-R-I-T-E, right. T-H-E-D, M-I-S-S-I-N-G, missing. N-U-M-E-R-A-L-S, numerals. Write the missing numerals. See the first one, N-U-M-B-E-R, number. T-H-A-T, that. C-O-M-E-S, comes. Before, B-E-F-O-R-E, before. Number that comes before. See the first one, A. What is the question? 45. Okay, the A. See the A option. See the A option. 45. Is that no? Yes, okay. What comes before 45? What comes before 45? 44. Is that no? Yes, 44. That first box, first of all of you sharp your pencil. Sharp your pencil. Then you take and write the A answer is 44. The A answer is 44. What comes before 45? Yes, the answer is 45. The second one, B. What comes before 100? What comes before 100? What will come? 99. Is that no? Yes. Then all of you see the third one, C option. They given 209. They given 209. What comes before 209? What comes before 209? 208. Okay. The C answer is 208. The C answer is 208. Then see the next one, D. 431. 431. What comes before 431? 430. What comes before 431 is 430. See the E option. 659. 659. What comes before 659? The answer is 658. The answer is 658. Then see the F. Okay. Read the number 708. Read with me. Okay. See the F option 708. What comes before 708? F answer is 779. Yes. 780. So the before number is 779. See the last one. G. See the last one. 876. Yes, 876. What comes before 876? What will come? 875. Okay, 875. Have you written, children? Write with me. Okay, see the board and write with me. Next, see the next column. See the next column. NUMBER number. THAT that. COMES comes. AFTER after. Number that comes after. Okay, we want to write the after number. Want to write the after number means next number. Okay. See the height one. 61. Yes. Height. Next. Okay. After number. See the after number. First question. Read the A question. Height question. Okay. Sorry. Height question. 61. What comes after 61? 62. Yes. What comes after 61? 62. Then I. See the I option. 72. 72. What comes after 72? What comes after 72 is 73. Okay. The answer is 73. Then the J one. The question is 109. Yes. The question is 109. What comes after 109? What comes after 109? 110. Okay, 110. Then see the next one, K. They given 353. What comes after 353? What comes after 353? 354. Okay, 354. Next, see the L. 468. 468. Okay. What comes after 468? What comes after 468? What will come? 469. Okay, 469. Then M. M. 590. 590. 590. What comes after 590? 591. 591. Then see the last one. 998. 998. What comes after 998? 999. Okay, 999. Can you see the next one? NUMBER number. NUMBER number. THAT that. COMES comes. BETWEEN between means naduvil. Between means naduvil. Okay. Number that comes in between. Now I will ask the question, you say the answer. Okay. See the O. See the O question. The numbers between 48 and 50 is. The numbers between 48 and 50 is 49. Okay, 48 and 50 is 49. Then you see the next one, P. The numbers between 96 and 98 is. The numbers between 96 and 98 is 97. Okay, the numbers between 96 and 98 is 97. Then see the Q question. The numbers between 209 and 211 is. The number between 209 and 211 is 210. Okay, 210. See the next one. The numbers between 321 and 323 is. The number between 321 and 323 is 322. 322. See the next one. $567. The number between 567 and 569 is. The number between 567 and 569 is. What will come? 568. 568. Next, see the next question. Okay. F. The number between 788 and 790 is. The number between 788 and 719 is. What will come? 789. Okay, 789. See the next one. The number between 810 and 812 is the number between 810 and 812 is 811. 811. The number between 810 and 812, the answer is 811. Have you written, children? Okay. See the board and write fast. I hope you have completed the third question. Next we will see the fourth one. Keep your finger on the fourth question. Read with me. W-R-I-T-E, write. T-H-E-D, P-L-A-C-E, place. V-A-L-U-E, value. A-N-D and T-H-E-D, F-A-C-E, face. V-A-L-U-E, value. O-F, of. T-H-E-D, U-N-D-E-R, under. L-I-N-E-D, lined, underlined. D-I-G-I-T-S, digits. Write the place value and the face value of the underlined digits. See the first one, number, face value and place value. Okay, face value means you take and write the number. Okay ma, that same number. You see the underlined number and filled it the face value place. Okay, இந்த நம்பர் அண்டர்லைன் பண்ணி இருக்குதோ அந்த நம்பரை அப்படியே பார்த்து ஃபேஸ் வேல்யூல ரைட் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, first one A, 56. Yes, 56. Which number is underlined? Which number is underlined? 6. Yes, 6. They are underlined the number for 6. Okay, so face value place you take and write the number 6. இந்த நம்பர் அண்டர்லைன் பண்ணியிருக்கோம் அந்த நம்பரை பார்த்து அப்படியே ஃபேஸ் வேல்யூல ரைட் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, this one phase value, this one place value. Okay, see the first one A means the face value underline number is 6. The 6 is in which place? Ones place. Yes, 6 is in which place? Ones place. So place value also same, 6. Okay, then you see the second one B, 87. Yes, 87. Which number is underlined? 8. Okay, that 8 you take and write the face value. You take and write the face value. The place value is 80. 8 is in tens place. Yes, 8 is in tens place. So you write 80. 0 is called 80. Then you see the third one. The face value is 1. The underlined digit number is 1. And the place value, where is it in the 1? In 100 place. Yes, 100 place or tens place? 100 place. So this one you multiply by 100 means 100. Okay, you should mention the place. Then D. Which one? 248. 248. Which number is underlined? 4. Yes. So you take and write 4. Then 4 is in which place? Tens place. So we want to add 1 0. Yes. Tens place means we want to add 1 0. Next, see the E question. 415. 415. The underlined digit number is 5. The underlined digit number is 5. 5 is in which place? Ones place. So you take and write the same number. Okay. The underlined number is in ones place means you take and write the same number. Okay. But the underlined digit number is tens place means you should write add 1 0 in the place value. Okay. At the same time, the underlined digit number is in 100 place means you should add 2 zeros in the place value. Then E finished. Yes. Then see the F. F. Which number is underlined for F? 5. Yes. 5. 5 is in which place? 100 place. Okay. 5 is in which place? 100 place. So we can add 2 zeros for the place value. Okay. Then see the G. 592. 592. Which number is underlined? 9. The place value is 9. 9 is in which place? 9 is in which place? Tens place. Okay. Tens place. So we want to add 1 0. Next, see the height. 608. Yes, 608. Now, the underlined digit number is 0. If you multiply with 100 means the answer also 0. Okay. Then I. 752. 752. Which number is underlined? 5. The face value is 5. The place is 5 places tens. So you add 1 0 for the place value. Then see the next one, J. 785. 785. Which one is underlined? 5. So that underlined number you take and write here. See the place value. 5 is in which place? Ones place. Okay. So this number you take and write here 5. Then K. Okay. K means 820. 820. Which number is underlined? 2. Okay. Which number is underlined? 2. So the underlined digit number you take and write the face value 2. Then 2 is in which place? Tens place. Yes or no? Yes. 2 is in tens place. So you should add 2 0 20. 20. Then see the next one. L. Okay. L. The question is 888. Yes, 888. Which one is the underlined digit number? Which one is the underlined digit number? 8. 8 is in which place? 100 place. Okay. So we want to add 2 zeros for the place value. Then M. See the M. 931. 931. Which number is underlined? 931. Which number is underlined? 1. Yes? 1. 1 is in which place? ones place. So you take and write the same number. Okay. M, N. Then the face value. Okay. 9. What is this number? 973. What is this number? 973. 973. Which number is underlined? 9. So the face value is 9. 9 is in which place? 100 place. Okay. So you take and write 900. 900. Okay, children. Do you understand? Okay. Have you written? Okay. Now all of you take your max classwork note. Now all of you take your max note. All of you take your max note. Take your stationery things, pencil, razor and sharpener. Use your pencil to write and write neatly. Okay, children? I hope you have taken the max note. First of all, take new page. Okay? Don't forget to write. Take new page. First of all, you write today's day and date. Today's day and date. Write today's day and date. Okay. This one, today's homework. WRITE. Write. THED. MISSING. Missing. Write the missing. NUMERALS. Numeral. This one, today homework. Okay. Today homework. Take new page and write homework. Write the missing numerals. WRITE. Write. THED. MISSING. Missing. NUMERALS. Numerals. Write the missing numerals. -46 84 591 700 702 700 702 800 800 800 Write the missing numerals. WRITE. Write. THED. MISSING. Missing. NUMERALS. Numerals. Write the missing numerals. First one, 46. First question is 46. The second one, 84. 84. The third one, 591. third one 591. Fourth one, the numbers between 700 and 702. The numbers between 700 and 702. The fifth one 800. 800. This is today homework. All of you should write. All of you finish your homework on the given day, okay? Don't go through the next day. You finished your homework work on the given day, okay children? Okay, next one we will see the next class. Take care. Bye.